Hey, what's going on, guys? Spencer here, and today I've got something really unique and really cool to show you. It's a Harman Kardon CD491 3-head cassette player and recorder. And what's nice about the 3-head is usually you would get a 2-head, but if you have 3 heads, you have a record head, a play head, and an erase head. And with the 2-head, you have 1 head for recording and playback, which means you're not going to get as good of either one if you just have a 2-head. But if the 3-head is there, you know that you're going to get the best audio and the best recording. But let's go ahead and power it on and drop a cassette in there. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to listen to it to avoid copyright issues. Alright. So now it's on and it is playing right now. As you can see, it's counting. And on the front of it, you've got rewind, play, fast forward, stop, record, pause. And then right here you can reset the counter. You can adjust how it's displayed. And then you've got memory, rewind, and replay. Record, mute, auto space, and then output level. With the output level, you can essentially control the volume of what you're listening to. Then you've got Dolby noise reduction, you've got B and C. Then there's an MPX filter right there. And then the tape monitor. With the tape monitor, that allows you to actually listen to what you're recording as you're recording, and that's part of what the purpose of the 3-head is. It will make it so that you don't have to record your recording and then listen to it so that you know it's good and then use it later. You can just listen to it as it's recording. So you can hear what's being recorded as it is recording with that. So it's a really useful feature. Then you've got bias, fine trim, high cut, high boost, and then you can adjust the mic level, left and right. And then there's metal, CR02, and LN for the tape adjustment. And then you've got bias tone, record, cal, and then it's also got a play and record timer so that you can time it to record something. Got master fader, headphones, peak hold, and meter weighting. And with peak hold, that will hold the meter at the highest peak that it goes to for a few seconds so that you can more easily decide how high the peak is going so that you don't redline it. And then for the features, it's got a direct drive, closed loop dual capstan, and it's a ultra wide band linear phase cassette deck. And on the rear of it, you've got a left and right microphone input and a RCA input and RCA output. Input is for recording, output is for playback, and this was made in Japan. That's pretty much all there is for this Harman Kardon 3-head cassette deck. This thing is incredibly rare. You probably won't see another one ever again. But if you're looking to order one of them, you can give us a call or you can order on our online store. Thanks for watching.